Hey students, good morning. Happy Thursday or happy Friday if you're not watching this till Friday. I miss you guys. I hope you're well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I've been having some individual Google Meets with some of you about things and seeing a couple of you around the lakes or outside. But man, I miss you guys and I hope you're well. My biggest announcement is starting next week, we got to have more FaceTime together. So we're going to start doing mandatory Google Meets. I put them on the website here. So 4th hour, 10 a.m. to 11, 5th hour, 1 to 2, 6th hour, 10 to 11 on Fridays. The main reason for this is I just miss you guys. I miss hearing your voices and seeing your faces. But with IB, we had to move some stuff around. So we're not doing the oral commentaries, which you know, but we do need to write a large paper this quarter, a 1,300 to 1,500 word paper. And so I really want to start talking about that and moving forward with that. And then we also want to do college essay stuff, which I definitely don't want to forget. So for those reasons, I really want us to be able to go over things together, for me to show you a little bit more about what these papers are going to be on, and we'll start all that next week. Okay. So here's what I'd like to do today for the daily assignment for attendance, which is how it will always still continue to work, and then the homework assignment. The daily assignment today is another blog post. It's titled How to Write About Blank. And what you're doing is you are picking something that you feel gets stereotyped a lot. So maybe for me, I'd want to do being a teacher or something like that. What you'll do first is you'll read this article titled How to Write About Africa. Okay. Then you're going to pick your own topic to write about. How to write about, for me, maybe I do how to write about teachers, or how to write about soccer players, or how to write about females in education. I don't know. You'd pick a topic, and you'll notice once you read the How to Write About Africa piece, there's a lot of sarcasm in this essay. It's a very famous essay. So you're going to do that same format. You're going to be sarcastic, use specific examples, and then all the other requirements as far as the lines and things like that are down here. Okay, so that is the daily assignment. You need to read the article, How to Write About Africa, and do a blog post. I'm noticing a huge lag already in this instruction, so hopefully this video is going through, but I'm already noticing that there's a huge lag. Okay, moving back up here. Homework assignment. Since we have to write a paper, I'm going to talk a lot more about this next week. You can use any literary text we have read or viewed thus far, or non-literary. So you could write about one of the documentaries that you already did a paper on kind of recently. But what else I'm going to do is show you a bunch of shorter texts that you can have as options. And I group them all together underneath teen activism. I have videos, manuscripts, opinion articles, public service announcements. I'm really excited about this activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the different materials, and you'll notice here that there are 4 sections to this homework assignment. 4 sections, okay? The first section is viewing 2 speeches. The second section is reading these 3 opinion editorials. The third section is looking at this manifesto in The Guardian. And the 4th section is watching these public service announcements. They're all about a minute long, okay? Then after you've viewed these, you can go back and forth if you want, if that's easier, or if you want to watch them all at once, whatever is easiest for you. Then you're going to fill out the questions for each of these documents. So for example, up here, part 1, watch the videos. Tell me which one you think was more powerful. Use quotes. Response should be 200 words. Part 2, part 3. They're all on here, all the assignments. One thing I do want to inform you about is it's a sensitive subject. So if some of these videos are triggering, let me know. I'll give you something else that you could look at. Email me with questions. I only have 5 minutes. I'll talk to you guys.